Oh, about $100 a semester.
$100 a semester? Why, I could do it for double the price in half the time.
Really?
Sure, I taught me own daughter.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Emergency Management Agency and the San Francisco Emergency Management Agency. A dangerous situation is spreading to Los Angeles and San Francisco. All residents in these cities should not participate in the riots caused a popular game store called GameStop, where a lot of people wanting Super Mario Galaxy 1 and 2 game cause people worked for money to get the Nintendo Switch 2 and go crazy. Do not participate in the riots. Stay in your homes. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Pearl how to drive like a little angel.
Hi, Daddy! I need money for shoes!
Sure, anything for me little angel Pearl.